So replacing your shower door sweep is a piece of cake. I'll go over it with you real quick. So in order to remove your sweep, you'll just go ahead and open the door, push down on the one that the handle side, and just slip it right off like that. So when it comes to cutting your shower door sweep, I would suggest you do it this way. So I would measure out the width of the shower door. This is, in this case, it's 2 feet or 24 inches. And I would start, and I would use a hacksaw. Don't use a saw with the teeth that are really big. Use a really fine tooth saw. And so I usually just put my thumb right there and line it up. And I start from the top of the sweep and go down because I want to start on the thick part and go down. This stuff can be really brittle. So I just cut it down, take and clean that up a little bit. And then what I do is this little fin here, I will cut that with the snippers at an angle, 45-degree angle, both sides. The reason I do that is because that fin, if it's kind of sharp and you hit your toe on that, you will, I don't know, you'd probably do some cussing. Anyway, that's what I do as far as trimming that up. All right, the dogs are here to help out today. So as far as putting this on, the sweep on, watch out, Ranger. I would open the door like so. The fin goes to the inside of the shower, so when the water runs down, it will into the shower. So anyway, I start back here. What I do is I start this on and I slide it all the way over until it's flush with the end of the door. And then I take the front end and I'll put that on here. And then I'll pull it on across the whole thing like that. Should just touch your curb. And yeah, so that's it. It's as easy as that.